Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode on Facebook Messenger. First thing first, let's launch the Messenger app. When you're on Messenger, you want to click on the top left corner where you see the three straight lines. You click on the three straight lines and then the new menu that pops out, you want to click on the gear icon over here. You click on the gear icon and the first available option in the settings is actually dark mode. You click on dark mode and this is where the magic happens. You have on, off, and you have the system. System essentially means that what is the default mode on your own phone. If you have on your default settings on your device, for example, Android or iPhone, you have a dark mode on your phone. This is what it means. In my particular case, this is a dark mode. This is the system mode. This is the default. This is what I have on my phone, and the app will simply match my settings on the phone. Otherwise, you can simply do it off. Now you can see manually adjusting the difference between the actual default mode on the phone and the mode on the actual app. We can go back to on again, and this is how easy it is, guys. For more amazing secret tips, subscribe and follow for more.